Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today, Claude AI predicts how high Kaspa price could go this week. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. The Kaspa price is up 1.3% in one day, trading near $0.0305. The token moved with Bitcoin, which recovered 2% after the market finished shaking out leveraged bets. Trading volume is also down more than 50%. That means many traders are staying calm and waiting for a clearer signal. Even with lower volume, people still feel good about the project. Social media data shows a net bullish score of 4.98 out of 10. People are talking about network activity, growing interest in prediction markets, and large holders stacking more coins. The biggest Kaspa wallet added another 3.6 million tokens on June 6th. With all this happening, we asked Claude AI to predict where the Kaspa price could go this week. News pushing Kaspa price this week. One of the biggest things to hit Kaspa happened during the June 6th market sell-off. Over $1 billion in leveraged positions got wiped out across crypto as Bitcoin and Ethereum led the drop. Kaspa stood out. Its liquidations were almost evenly split. $20.6 million in longs and $20.8 million in shorts got cleared out. That balanced liquidation profile is important because it shows neither bulls nor bears had complete control. The market effectively reset excess leverage without creating an extreme imbalance. For traders, that leaves room for a fresh directional move once sentiment improves. Another development came from the Unchained Summit Vietnam on June 5th, where Kaspa representative Junny Ho announced the upcoming launch of the Viso market, which is expected to go live before June 30th. The launch introduces a new utility layer to the ecosystem and expands the network's real-world use cases. The announcement also placed Kaspa in front of regulators, developers, and blockchain businesses attending the event. The biggest catalyst remains the Toccata hard fork, expected to activate between June 5th and June 20th. The upgrade introduces Silverscript-based covenant programming, zero-knowledge application infrastructure, and native KRC20 token support. If adoption follows, Kaspa could attract developers interested in DeFi, NFTs, and other applications built directly on its proof-of-work Layer 1 network. Here's what the Kaspa chart is showing. We looked at the CAS chart. The price is still in a larger downtrend that started after the May peak near $0.0405. Since then, sellers have kept pushing the token down, making a string of lower highs and lower lows. Even after the latest bounce, CAS is still below several key highs it would need to take back before a true bullish setup returns. The good news for buyers is that support near 0.028 to 0.029 held firm during the recent market shakeout. The price bounced from that zone and climbed back above 0.030. That tells you demand is still there whenever CAS dips to those lower levels. The momentum numbers are also improving. The RSI is now at 55.8, above its moving average near 50.8. The ultimate oscillator is around 51.4. That tells you the market is pretty balanced, leaning just a little toward buyers. These numbers are not showing an overheated market, so there is room to go higher if buying pressure comes back. Claude AI prediction of where Kaspa price could go this week. Bullish case. Claude AI thinks CAS could run up to the 0.038 to 0.045 range. That would take two things. First, the Toccata hard fork needs to go smoothly. Second, developer interest in KRC20 tokens, DeFi apps, and zero-knowledge tools has to grow fast. The model also said a successful Viso market launch and more whale buying could support a move of roughly 23% to 46% from where it is now. Likely case. The most likely outcome for Claude AI is that Kaspa moves sideways between $0.028 and $0.036. The market is still healing from last week's billion-dollar liquidation event. Volume has dropped a lot, and many traders seem to be waiting to see if the Toccata upgrade actually works before putting more money in. Bearish case. The bad case puts the CAS price between $0.022 and $0.027. Claude AI noted that any delay, technical problem, or bad reaction to the Toccata hard fork could hurt sentiment. A weaker Bitcoin market would add more pressure, especially since CAS has been moving right along with Bitcoin lately. However, Kaspa starts the new week with its biggest upgrade in sight and a few ecosystem wins backing up the mood. The chart shows buyers holding the 0.028 to 0.029 zone, but volume is still pretty low. For now, Claude AI thinks $0.028 to $0.036 is the most likely range. But if the Toccata rollout goes well, the bullish target of $0.038 to $0.045 could come into play. Your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching, and see you next time.